In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an interactive calendar in Figma. Whether you're looking to improve your design projects or simply organize your team's workflow, creating an interactive calendar can be a valuable skill. So let's get started with a simple and quick tutorial that can be completed in just 5 minutes. First, head over to Figma's website. If you're not familiar with it, Figma is an incredibly powerful collaborative interface design tool used by designers all over the world. It's web-based, which means there's no software installation needed, and you can access your work anywhere you go. Once you're on the Figma homepage, go ahead and click on the login button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you already do, let's continue from there. Enter your credentials and you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is your dashboard where all your projects are listed, and from here you can manage or start any design you need. Now you'll want to move into the design section. You can find this by clicking on the menu labelled design. This section is where the magic happens, and it's the heart of the Figma platform where you can create anything from simple sketches to complex interactive prototypes. Next up, you'll see an option labelled action. Click on this and a world of possibilities opens up with Figma's various tools and plugins that enhance your design experience. It may sound simple, but this is one of the core features that makes Figma such a versatile tool. Now in the action search bar, type in calendar generator. This is the specific tool we're going to use to effortlessly create our interactive calendar. As you type, you'll see suggestions start to populate. Selecting the calendar generator from this list is key, as it automates much of the time-consuming setup you would otherwise need to do manually. After selecting the calendar generator, Figma will walk you through the configuration needed to tailor the calendar to your requirements. You can specify date ranges and tweak styles to match your design needs. This powerful tool not only saves time but allows for consistency across any designs you may be working on that require calendar functionality. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, using Figma's intuitive interface and the calendar generator tool, you can create an interactive calendar ready to integrate into your projects. This can immensely enhance your productivity, allowing you to focus more on design and less on managing logistics. So give it a try and see how it can transform your workflow. Thank you for watching and happy designing.